So I have my mixing bowls. They're stainless steel. I really like these. They're stackable. You can stack them inside each other. The great thing about these, they come with lids. There's a lot of times that I need to set something in the refrigerator and I need a lid for it, so I'm always trying to scrounge around and try to cover this. But with these, they just fit perfectly on each bowl. And what I like about these, they're really lightweight, which makes it nice. You can serve these as a serving bowl. If you had a really nice salad, you can serve this, make something ahead of time and then cover it up, and then all you have to do is take that lid off. Now all these 3 bowls come with this really nice smooth rolled edge. I like that because you can get a really good grip, really lightweight. I love the quality of these bowls. And also you can see they have the size on each bowl, which really makes it nice. This is 1.5 quarts, 3 quarts, and a nice 5 quart. So you can do a lot of things where you're mixing cakes or cookies or even making a salad with these. And it's great that they all come with lids. So that's good. One thing I really want to note is the lids cannot be in the dishwasher. The bowls can go in the dishwasher, but make sure that you don't put the lids in there. So hope you found this review helpful, and I recommend these bowls.